Guys, today we're playing Ride a Boat into a Better Life. I don't.
Yeah, I said it. I said it.
Hey. Mm.
Okay, I'm gonna get. Oh no, the rafty spawn that we that.
Fake
No,
raft.
I'm front.
We're going the
Don't
wrong way.
exactly stop. Stop.
Whoa, we're going the correct way.
We gotta turn.
I can't see where we're going.
Then move your camera.
Oh, crappy.
Well, I got it under control. Don't say oh crap.
Oh. Luckily, that did have collision.
Luckily, if it did, we.
Go.
Yay!
Why isn't there triple kayak?
I don't know.
Stop! Stop moving! We need to fix this. Guys, stop. We need to fix it.
I've kayaked before in real life.
Yeah, me too. I've done like 3 times.
I went on a fishing boat before into the middle of the ocean.
I went to a cruise. It was
Yeah,
awesome, dude. 5 stars.
you guys are
They had
lucky.
free. They had free vanilla, chocolate, and mixed ice cream.
Do you want to
Man,
know? Do you
I
want
don't
to
really like, I don't really like any ice cream except for vanilla.
Oh, what is that?
They call her the green machine.
I'm front. I'm front.
That seems nice.
Oh crap! Oh crap! Brayden, get out! Brayden, get out! Brayden, get out!
know? Okay, let's go.
We're already acting like idiots, and this video has been like 3 minutes.
Two, actually. Exactly why the name of this video is the name of this video.
Oh, okay.
What?
Why are we drifting? Are we drifting on a boat?
Yes. Oh, 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 oh. We're idiots.
No, no! We're upside down!
No!
Oh my god, we're upside down!
No! Go, guys, come on, we can do this upside down. We can do this upside down. We're gonna make it. It's right there. Come on, go.
Oh! Oh!
Go!
We did it!
Yeah, we did.
I'm drowning!
I'm drowning. Oh, Jesus, my dear. Guys, come on, make it safety. Make it to safety. No!
This is why you don't need 3 idiots with a kayak.
Yeah, this is a kayak. This is a kayak.
Brayden, Brayden, get on.
Ready.
Mm.
No, guys, we're going the wrong way. Guys, I'm gonna slow us down. I'm slowing this down.
Stop! I can't move.
I'm gonna go insane, bro. I'm going
Guys,
insane. What would you
you
do?
gotta slow down.
No, we don't. No, we don't. No, we don't.
It's already telling us to slow down.
We don't need to slow down.
Well, if we lose, it's your fault.
I'm just swinging my oar left and right. Oh crap! I jumped off.
Whee!
Oh, holding in water, holding in
This is
water,
what
holding in
happens
water.
when we put three idiots in a kayak. I mean, a raft.
Okay, so. Oh crap! We're going down the ramp. No, this isn't a ramp. This is a slide.
This is so fun.
How do we fit a whole entire oar into our pockets?
I don't know.
That's a good point.
What? Wait, do we have to restart? No, we don't have to restart. Well, that was insane.
Yeah.
Don't leave idiots with a kayak.
This isn't a kayak race.
With a raft.
We're going the wrong way. We're going the wrong way, Jake.
The right way.
Come on, guys, move forward, move forward. Do it how I'm doing it.
I love the amount of particles that is just spewing out.
Oh, 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 oh,
Come on, come on, come on, go, 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 go,
oh, oh,
go.
oh, 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 oh.
Why does my voice sound so stupid when put through a call?
I don't know. Longer strokes makes you faster.
Okay, okay, guys, do longer strokes.
That's what I'm doing.
What? I see it. Wait, what? Hold on, I'll be right back.
Abram, why did you just go to the prequel of fun again?
What?
Why did you go back to the prequel of fun?
I don't know.
Oh yeah, guys, we are not gonna buy anything in this game or any other games because we are poor, right, guys?
I mean, I did have 2,000 Robux before.
Well, and you just decided to waste it on something I don't know.
Stop!
Bro, good things gotta go sometime, okay?
Stop!
Abram, you could have kept that. You don't know what's gonna happen in the future. You might want something in the future.
Okay.
Stop! Stop slowing it down!
I'm holding on for dear life.
Stop! You're gonna kill us! You're the reason we're gonna die! I hate you!
Jace,
I'm playing a double kayak. Just kidding.
hate is a strong word. Don't ever do that again.
I mean, he says that on livery all the time, every time behind the scenes.
Oh yeah, kind of true though.
Don't be an idiot! Stop it! You're the reason we're gonna die.
This water's getting intolerable. I'm sad. Come on, guys, let's go.
Abraham, jump off.
Oh, no, I'm not.
I'm getting up from the. I'm getting up from
No. Go
getting up
crazy. Go stupid. Go to Brayden. Brayden, grab onto my oar, Brayden. Brayden, grab onto my oar.
Friends being crazy ones.
Don't make him say it, Jace.
I will.
Jace, don't make him say it. Jace, please don't make him say it.
If we die one more time, that's gonna be crazy.
Wait,
Crazy? I was crazy once. They locked me in a room. A rubber room with rats. And rats make me crazy.
Jace.
You're the reason he's doing it.
Jace, we cannot die or he's gonna go crazy.
Exactly.
Too bad for you. I'm already crazy.
Crap.
I was crazy once. They locked me in a room. A rubber room. A rubber room with rats. Rats make you crazy. Crazy? I was crazy
You
once.
sang
Locked
it.
me in a room. A rubber room. A rubber
You
room with rats.
sang it. Wait, are we gonna go through
Crazy.
or onto that
Crazy?
waterfall?
I was crazy once. They locked me in a room. A rubber room. A rubber room with rats.
Oh,
Go crazy. Go
Oh
stupid.
my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Checkpoint.
pickle tickler.
Haha. I'm drowning. I'm drowning. And guys, I'm drowning. Guys. Oh,
Bye bye.
Medic! Medic! Medic, help me!
I'm
Help
dying.
me, medic! Ah!
Hi.
no, I don't want to be from.
Crazy?
Crabby.
Brain, we died. Are you crazy now?
Don't make me say it. We can just go across
We
like
can
this.
do it.
Exactly.
We can do it. No! What is happening?
What is happening?
Oh my god, oh my
See you losers.
What just happened?
I'm gonna be in the back because I feel safe here.
Crazy? I've been crazy once.
god. Okay.
And Brayden, haven't
Come
you
on,
been
guys.
crazy
Come on,
once?
guys. We just gotta build up speed. Come on, guys. We just gotta build up speed.
Speed! Speed is the key.
Build it up. No.
We just gotta not flip. That's the thing. We just gotta not
I think
flip.
No,
I
we
think
just
that
gotta get speed. We just gotta get speed.
You've gotta get speed and not flip.
yeah, we gotta quibble
If
quibble.
only we had boat flipping juice.
Yeah.
No, that flips your boat.
Yeah.
No, but if our boat is upside down, it flips it up. Oh crap! See ya, losers. Well,
Oh crap, how did I miss?
Brayden, grab onto my oar. Grab onto my oar, Brayden. Brayden, grab onto my oar. Brayden, no, Brayden.
Well,
Brayden's dead.
goodbye.
No, I'm coming back for him. Come on, guys, grab onto my oar. Brayden, guys, get on.
We
Okay,
grabbed
let's
on.
go. Come on, guys, build up speed.
You losers are down there, I'm up here.
That's it. I'm using a single kayak and one
Oh
life.
crap! Ah! I fell into the water. Hey, let me on. Oh crap! Oh crap!
Brayden, you can't get up. Grace is your only option, Brayden. Come on. Okay. Nice. Not nice. Oh crap. Turn. No. Turn. Forward.
Abram's panicking up there.
I died.
Hey, Abram, get on here.
Poor thing.
I'm going solo.
Brayden, you paddle the other way, I'll paddle this way.
Okay. Yeah, even. It's even. No, it's not even.
Not
Bye.
even. It's not even.
I'm still falling.
We're gonna go on. Oh, okay. Quibble.
Yeah.
No! Brayden, wait, please. Brayden, I'm coming. Brayden, we're coming for you. Brayden, oh, he's dead.
Ah!
Oh, we gotta get Brayden. Brayden, come here. We're here to save you. We're lifeguards. Ah!
We're death guards. We're death guards. We're death guards. Get on, guys. Get on. Get on. Now. Get on. I said get on.
Where's Brayden? Jace, our rescue mission is to save Brayden from the depths of hell.
Can you guys hurry up? I'm about to die.
Give me a second.
Yeah,
My
I can
phone's
see
about
that.
to die. Give me a
Oh
second. My
crap!
phone's about to die.
I see you, Grace.
Ah,
Yes.
I'll save him. I'll save you, Brayden. Oh crap,
help
you're
me!
drowning. I'll save you.
Help me! Help me!
No, Brayden, grab onto my oar.
Okay. Okay.
Cool, okay.
Hey, why'd you guys leave?
Okay, we're dead. Oh, we're not dead, okay. Just go. Brayden, just go. Brayden, just go. Brayden,
Just go.
just go. See you later, loser. Hold on, guys. Can we just like skip this?
Yeah.
We gotta.
Okay, guys, go to Steve Slope. 20 pal.
I
Bro,
don't know where I am.
Brayden,
what about the cool S? Oh,
no.
He doesn't know where he is.
Brayden, come on. No. See you later, loser. Hee hee hee, yeah. Okay, Brayden. Grace, aren't you supposed to be dead already? I mean, you're an electronic.
Burn
Hey,
Gilla.
Brayden, can you come here real quick?
okay. I'm dealing with the dangerous bug right here, but okay.
We're dealing with a dangerous piece of.
Money! I want the money. I want the money. I want the money. Oh
Abram,
crap, the
stop.
money's a real. The money's a lie. Guys, the money's a
Stop
lie.
being so gullible, Abraham. We gotta get Abraham.
I'm still alive, you know. Money. Oh, you can't grab the money. Hold on, let me grab the money.
Let's unstuck.
Wait. Wait, no, Brayden, you can't just walk there. You're gonna drown.
I don't care. You can just wait for the boat.
Hey, Brayden. Right, we're stuck. Wait, I just have water.
Wait a second. Wait a second.
Jace, how long is this video? Tell me now.
Yeah, 17 minutes.
17? Okay.
Yeah, we're stuck.
I think this is longer than that intrusion video.
I think it is. Ooh.
Man, we've really changed since intrusion.
Yeah.
Oh, crabby crap, 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 crabby crap.
Patty?
Mr. Krabs.
Krabs Patty?
Mr. Krabs. Let's go.
What if we
Whee!
put Mr. Krabs in a Krabby Patty?
Oh crap, slow down, slow down. Here's what
Crabs
they
are
taught
in
you.
the Krabby Patty.
I know.
Oh crap, guys, turn. Come on. Turn. Okay, come on. Guys, the
We hit a rock.
Rock Johnson. Oh, guys, slow down.
Ooh. 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 Ooh.
Guys, slow down.
Oh. Oh.
This is why I'm holding my oar in the water.
Oh. Oh.
Oh gosh. You guys aren't gonna help me?
No. Okay, guys.
Oh, this
I'm gonna
doesn't
Let's
turn
go down this ramp, I guess.
Oh. Oh.
We.
This
Oh crap,
doesn't
slow down.
Oh crap.
Does that guy say anything? He says nothing. What a stupid idiot.
I'm just holding money.
He's happy while holding money, but also in danger.
Oh, slow down.
Oh crap.
Go. Bro, what is this thing?
My oar is stuck. What the heck?
Okay, guys.
Wait,
Slow
don't
down.
go yet. Don't go yet.
Go.
Go.
Convenient elevator. Go.
Go.
Go, 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 go.
Bro, they're sinking into the water.
Bro, something is wrong with the water today.
Yeah, bro. It's literally turning into an elevator.
Go,
The water is an elevator.
It's
go. Oh,
a little monster made out of rocks and a tree.
and my meat.
It's a rock.
Guys, slow down, slow down.
Oh, oh.
You guys ready to go fast?
Wait, what do you mean by that?
This.
Look ahead of us.
Oh, okay. Not that fast.
Yeah, because we're trying to gain speed. Paddle!
Paddle, paddle, paddle.
You guys are gonna kill us!
Water.
Yeah. Yeah, water.
Dangerous water.
There's been water everywhere, dude. Wait, do you like instantly die here? Also, what is that ahead?
I don't know.
Oh no, I thought that was like an orb of death or the sun or something. It's just a tube.
We're
Also, what
going
are these
backwards.
things? Penguins? No, those are orcas.
Bro, you don't know the difference between an orca and a penguin?
No.
Oh my god. Anyways, we're probably gonna die.
That's checkpoints right there.
Oh, okay. Ouch. Bouncy water.
Boat flipping juice. What?
Oh, butt flipping juice.
Okay, guys, now we're at spaghetti dinner.
We have to run over the orcas.
These
Are
orcas
those-
do be annoying.
Are they orcas? Or
Yeah,
are they
they
just
are
black
all-
fish?
They're
They're
blackfish.
orcas. They're baby orcas.
I'm not sure if that's a thing, but okay.
They're children. Uh-oh.
I just saw a hummingbird fly past me.
Did you know hummingbirds' tongues are in
Yeah,
their
they
skull?
go into their skull.
Yeah. It's creepy.
Did you know? Did you know that? Oh no!
I'm jumping off to see ya, losers. Bro, but why is the power ore so expensive?
I don't know.
ABC to give up.
Words.
Okay, guys, I believe that'll be today for today's video. See you in the next.
No, we're not ending the video.
I hate you.
We're not ending the video until we get to the next checkpoint.
That's the carpal tunnel. Go, 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 go. Oh!
Oh crap! Oh crap! Oh crap!
Paddle everywhere! Paddle everywhere! Paddle everywhere! Paddle, paddle, paddle everywhere! Paddle everywhere! Slow down!
Guys, help! Help!
Brandon's drowning! Brandon, why'd you jump off? Why'd you jump off?
You didn't jump off.
How are we not drowning?
I
I
don't
don't know.
Slow down. Slow
We
down,
got
Brandon. Okay,
something.
Brandon. Brandon! See a loser.
Almost got an
I
orca.
lived.
The orca is saving me. I'm living. I'm living more than you guys.
Brandon, oh, don't worry. We'll come for you.
The orca's bathing you?
Yeah, the orca. I'm riding on an orca.
This video's like 20 minutes long of us being idiots.
Yes.
Yeah. I'm touching the water.
Crabbity, 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 patty.
I can't wait to get to. I can't wait to get carpal tunnel.
Get two though, you mean? Smack! I'm smacking the orca. Drowning the orca out of splash water. I'm drowning in the orca.
You're peeing on an orca?
No, I'm drowning in the orca.
Okay.
What are you, deaf?
Yes.
Okay, makes sense. Hey, Brayden, how you doing?
Hey,
Hey guys.
get on.
That orca saved your life. How do you even
Yeah.
get on him?
I don't know. You just grabbed me.
Oh,
Oh no no no!
oh,
Hold on, slowing down, slowing down.
oh.
Both green juice. We don't need that.
Ooh, ooh. We actually do need it.
Well, maybe in the future we do need it.
What do you mean the future? This is gonna end next checkpoint.
Oh, oh, oh. I want to do a part 2 of this.
Yeah, me.
Okay, sure, but not now, dude.
Not now.
Oh crap! No, I dropped off. Spaghetti. Okay, I believe that's it for today's video, and see you in the next one.
Hey, Ram, do you have 75 Bobak?
No,
No.
I don't have 50 divided by the Robux.
Damn it.
Hello guys, I believe that will be it for today's video.
Okay, so
See you in
that
the
guy will
next
be
one.
it for the video, and we will end the video because we're ending the video because it's the end of the video.
Wasn't it like a joke?
The video
Jason, I'm
because
coming
we're
with you.
pretty
Jason, I'm
idiot.
coming with you. Jason, I'm coming with you. It's Brayden. We're all coming with you, Jace. Jace, come here. Jace, come here. Brayden, we gotta catch up to him.
We gotta go. Ah!
It's a race.
Slow and steady never wins the race.
No one's
Well,
saying
sometimes you have to make the
doesn't
race.
Unless it's a wire that you have to walk across with oil on it.
What?
Exactly. Like
What happens when you mix oil and water together?
death.
Death. That violates the laws of reality.
It does actually. Because the
What?
oil floats on the water. It doesn't mix with it.
Oil floats in water
Yes.
makes no sense. They're both liquids.
Because oil is denser than water.
Okay, guys, I believe that'll be it for today's video. See you in the next one.
Three idiots with a boat. Goodbye.